Alright, y'all, you already know who it is, you know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to. This is a 2004 Lexus LS430. I'm going to show you how to pull this radio out. First thing we want to do is come down here, use our panel removal tool, and we want to pop out this heated seat type groove right there. So you can pull that out. It's only held in by two clips, one on each side. Now, you don't have to move the shifter to get to it, and we have a Phillip. Let me turn the dang light on. Alright, so we have one Phillip right there that needs to come out, one Phillip right there, and we also have one Phillip in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug this and then go ahead and get those screws out. Alright, so with those screws out, I will go ahead and just turn this in the on position and put this down. And we're going to use our panel removal tool, and even though we got the screws out, we want to come here in this corner and kind of pop it, because they're all also held in by some clips, and that's going to take that little face off right there. And let me go ahead and oh shoot, sorry about that, but we just put that to the side just for a second, and we have two 10 mil bolts that we need to go ahead and take out. So let's go ahead and get those out as well. Doesn't matter what you use to take it out. If you guys want to use a socket wrench, I use a drill. This is a Milwaukee. You guys want to know which ones I use? The links are in the description. Now that that's out, let's see if I can just one hand this thing. Boom. Straight clips. Let's take out these harnesses. Alright guys, there you have it. So we have the radio out. Very simple steps, didn't take too long to do. This is an amplified system, but it's not Mark Livingston. So we're gonna go ahead and get this thing wired up, get the dash kit on, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright y'all, so we got the dash kit hooked up. It's pretty simple. You just take the bracket and you mount it to the front piece of the dash kit itself on the left and right side, and then we slide our radio in, and then we put the two screws on here. And we also want to take these little pieces that came with the kit and put two screws in it. So now it has those little clips that will clip inside of here, and it also comes with two white clips to put on there. But the problem that comes into play is that you see how this part is actually flatter and this part is a lot thicker. So this thing right here actually ends up getting in the way. So what I want to do now is I'm going to take my air saw and I'm going to cut that bar off and see if I can't move those little metal tabs in the backwards. That way we can actually get our radio to fit. Alright y'all, so boom, cut that bar out of there, and then look what happens. Ooh, look how sexy this gets. Ooh, this gets real sexy. Ooh, look at that. That thing, you see me, I eat, sleep, shit, and tall grind. My two mounts mount up perfectly right there for my 10 mils. And that just looks seamless. I love it. All right, let's get this thing wired up, guys. What's up, y'all? Well, this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Now, I know what you're thinking. I didn't actually go over the wiring real quick. Well, the reason I did that is because I make a lot of these little how to remove the radio videos, and wiring it up is the exact same way every time. So in order to make it short and sweet and efficient as possible for you guys who have these separate cars, I made one video on how to wire up a radio, and then it's right here in this card along with some other how-tos for you guys. So if you want to know how to wire up a radio, do steering wheel controls and all that kind of stuff, go ahead and put it over there. As far as the links, I will put the links to all these products in the description. The 1550 radio, the dash kit, the antenna extensions that you will need, because your antenna is actually in the trunk and you're gonna have to run it to the front. So all that good stuff will be in the description for you guys. Until next time, it's your boy JP signing out. See y'all at the next call.